Hello everybody, welcome to the kickoff video for the Content Challenge September 2023. So, what's going to happen this month? Well, I'm probably going to drive myself mad, but it's all for the greater good, right? So, during this month, I'm going to record 30 videos. They do not all have to be released during the month. I can batch record and schedule some for October even. So hopefully I won't drive myself nuts in the process, but just to give you a taste of what I've got up my sleeve, here is a list of some of the video topics that I have put together that I am contemplating covering during the course of this month. And hopefully there will be something on here that each of you will find useful or interesting. And I'm always open to new suggestions. So if you have something else that you would like to see me cover, something that I don't have on this list, or a competing product or service to something on this list, preferably free and open source, let me know. You can hit the comment section below. You can go to the About tab and find my contact information. Get in touch with me however you are most comfortable. And I look forward to making these videos during the course of the month. Now, one thing I do not have on this list is that it is Septandy. And as I've mentioned in previous videos, I started off with the Tandy Color computer when I was in 6th grade and doing an intro to basic programming course that they offered at the school. And so I'm going to dust off my Tandy Color computer. I'm going to get some different components out for it, and we will see what it's capable of doing, provided it all still works after 30 odd years of being in the original box. On that note, thank you for watching this intro video. I hope you found something here on the list that is of interest to you. And if you saw something that's of particular interest, get down to that comment section, let me know, and I will potentially move that up on my schedule of releases and get that out quicker. So, until next time, thank you for watching. I'm Jeremy with the Practical IT channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.